I am going to introduce to you now first the Debtors Day of Cash Solutions. To sell stresses, the Creditors and Debtors Days, along with the balance sheet, are not as important to the business as data analytics and forecasting are in preventing performance difficulties. Let's look at the company's debtors days, currently standing at 45. We see this is constantly revolving. It seems that when the debtors days decrease, this opens on to a discount given, which then leads to reduction in profits for Cash Solution. Due to this opportunity cost, it can give on to an increase in debtors days, and the wheel turns again into negotiations.